Let's talk about sleeping bags. Let's talk about the best sleeping bag I've ever owned in my life, guys. This is a long-term review of the Carinthia Defense 4 sleeping bag. Absolutely fantastic, guys. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. So let's get a nice close-up of it there. Guys, I must have this sleeping bag 4 years. 3 years, 4 years, I don't know. Guys, do yourselves a favour, get one of these sleeping bags, okay? This is by far, I've been using sleeping bags for 30 years, you know, outdoors, camping. Started off with those little polyester ones, you know, the little rectangle shaped ones. Oh, even the thought of them, no roll mat, nothing like that, sleeping in an Icelandic tent. Well guys, this is the dogs, the absolute dogs, guys, the Carinthia Defense 4, okay? I would class this as a budget sleeping bag, okay? Not why you would think, not in a budget way because it is cheap, okay, but in a budget way because you buy this and it's going to last you for years and years and years. Now, I paid £50 for this on eBay, okay, and it is well worth it. Now, to buy them, they're not £50, they're a lot more than that, okay, so they're about $2.50. Now, so guys, I've written down some specifications here because it's something I generally don't cover. I don't go into the nitty-gritty of the item, but I just thought it was important that I do. Okay, so this is a 3-season mummy shaped sleeping bag, okay, but you know, you already knew that, okay. It's rated to -15, guys, -15. I've had it in about -5, okay. I've never been cold in the sleeping bag, ever been cold in the sleeping bag, okay. So it has the outer, right, it's called shell proof, guys, so it's wind and water resistant. So it sort of has a bivy bag already built into it. Now it's not your Gore-Tex bivy bag, okay, it's DWR. It's, you know, it's, if it lashed you'd get wet, okay. And the inner has got, it's a ripstop material as well, but it's a wicking ripstop material, okay. And what that means is that it wicks moisture away from the body and it pushes it to the outside of the breathable membrane that's on the outside, okay, the shell proof membrane, okay. So it's called shell trans on the inside and shell proof on the outside. Now it's the in-between bit that's super. It's the in-between bit, guys, and that is actually what Carinthia's own g-loft filling, okay. It's a g-loft filling, alright. So, but it's double layered g-loft filling on the inside of this thing, and it's set like this, so it goes one way, it goes like this, and then it crisscrosses like that, okay. And it also has a thing called thermoflect, Jesus, thermoflect, which actually reflects your body heat back in, okay. What does all that mean? This is what it means, guys. This sleeping bag is class, okay. It's really comfortable, it's really warm, it's got a really cool hood, okay, like this. Alright, I'm sitting on a log pile, I'm not going to get into it, guys. If you want to see me in this sleeping bag, I'll link a video up, it's either here or here, I don't remember which, okay, on my recent overnight. Guys, you can zip this right up and be sleeping like this in it. It is just, for me, this is the best option, the best bushcraft sleeping bag I have ever come across. It just makes so much sense, guys. It makes so much sense. There's so much potential in this sleeping bag. Potential is the wrong word. It is so customizable, guys, okay. So this actually this Defense 4 forms part of my sleep system, okay, which is a bivy bag on the outside. This is the main winter part, and there's actually tie-in loops here, guys, on the inside of this bag that you can attach. You can tie another sleeping bag into the inside of this, and it turns it into a 4-season sleeping bag then, guys, probably more, okay? And that I have been in sub-zero temperatures overnight in that sleep system with absolutely no problem. Actually a little bit warm. Guys, definitely if you can find one for the right price, I would not hesitate to buy one. Actually, you know, I'm actually looking at buying another one, you know, and starting to replace other sleeping bags in the house with the Carinthia Defense 4. That's how much I like it, guys. The new sleep systems from the British Army and the Dutch Army are based around the Carinthia Defense 4 and the Tropen bag sleep system. So I have used the Dutch one in the past, guys, and it's a copy of this. Alright, they're pretty good as well. They're pretty good. So, you know, I'd say that you could pick up the British Army or the Dutch full system. I'm talking about this heavyweight bag and the lightweight bag together for roughly around £60. Okay, and check eBay for stuff like that, guys. So, but definitely highly recommended. Okay, the Carinthia Defense 4 sleeping bag, bomb proof. Pack size, guys, it's quite small. It's not the bouncing bomb. Okay, it's not the bouncing Betty. It's about half the size of the British Army Arctic bag when it's all put together, and when it's all packed away, guys. And if you look in, I'll link another video up here, or I'll link it in the end, guys, for my my solo overnight kit. It'll show you the size of that. Okay, guys, do yourselves a favor. If you're struggling with sleeping bags and you're not having a good night's sleep or anything like that, get yourselves one of these. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay frosty. Bruno, what do you think? Bruno approved. Come here. Bruno. Stick your head through the hole. Stick your head through the hole. Good dog.